I became a firefighter because I find this job very challenging.
The most fulfilling part of this job is when you overcome your fear.
What men can do, women can also do.
Pursuant kasi sa tinatawag nating gender awareness, di ba? So ngayon ang ating government is already requiring each agencies to na mag-hire ng mga kababaihan para maabot natin yung tinatawag nating equality, gender equality.
Hindi lang po tayo more on suppression, fire suppression. Meron po tayong inspection, investigation, lectures. Nagagawa na rin po yan ng mga female firefighters natin ngayon.
There are no special treatment. What they do, we also perform. Whatever training or strenuous activities, we also do the same.
Maganda ang performance ng ating mga kababayang bumbero dito sa Taguig because as of now, nagdedicate tayo ng isang fire station na lahat sila babae, simula sa kanilang pinaka-leader.
Actually, yung substation, isa siya sa pinakamagandang substation ngayon within NCR.
They saw our need and they reacted for the good or the welfare of this uniform service.
Lahat ng project namin, lahat ng plans and program ni Sir, sinusuportahan po ng local natin.
I'd like to take this opportunity to thank the local government of City of Taguig na binigyan tayo ng chance na ma-emphasize yung women empowerment.